How to add recommended product section in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or create recommended product section in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. We're gonna use app from Shopify App Store. So in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the apps in your left side of your screen. You can click on it, and then in the search box, you can search and discovery, and you can click search and discovery, search in Shopify App Store, and then you will find a lot of options here as you can see. But what we're looking for is the Shopify search and discovery. Here you can click on it, and then as you can see, this is the official app from Shopify. And then you can read the description, you can also read the review if you want, but we're gonna just click install it. Now, in order to do that, you can just click customize filters, and then you can click add filter, and then you can maybe add the label as recommended products. So when customers see or in the product page, they will also add another products, which is the recommended products label. Then for the source, you can choose maybe category, and then you can set the values if you want, but I'm gonna leave it like that. And then you can just click save, and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.